Okay, so typed in turbotax.intuit.ca, or you can just type in turbotax.ca, and it's gonna go to this website. Just press personal taxes. You can see the products and pricing. And you can see it's like $0 to $60, $40 to $110, $72 to $250 for the full service. And as you scroll down, you can see like the features and benefits and what's included. We're just choosing the basic one, so that's gonna be the $0 to $40 or $60. Get started. So I'm just gonna sign in here or create your account if it's your first time using this website. But since I've already filed taxes with them before, so I'm just signing in, and then you verify your code. It will show you, like if you've signed in before, it will show you the account, and it's gonna link to it. But if it's your first time, then it won't show that. So now you press start your return, or like for the first time, but since I'm returning, I press to create a different return. Let's go. So which of these applied to you in 2023? So you just press on what applies to you. So had a job, not a student, so I'm not clicking on that. If you sold a home, if you own a rental property in 2023, then you press those. Medical expenses, I pressed on it. Continue. So, do you need help doing your taxes? No, I can do it on my own. So it says there it's only $21 per return. It used to be $19.99 if I'm not mistaken. Now it's increased to $21. So it's showing those like promos again, but we don't need those. Those are just like if you need help. Might as well just go to H&R Block if it's just those ones. Unless you don't have time, just when I do the online. So just press the TurboTax online. Myself. Oh, yeah, so I'm filing for the first time if it's your first time. It's on the options. Continue. I just went back to know myself. I'm just using Nadine Lustra's name. And then you just answer these questions. Province, I'll just put Alberta. So you just keep clicking like yes or no, whatever applies to you. It's pretty straightforward. Canadian citizen, yes. Do you authorize CRA? Just press yes or no. No. filing income tax for the first time? Yes, for you guys, if it's your first time. But since it's not my first time, then I will press no. I will choose no. Mailing address. Just put in your address, city, province, postal code, your email address, phone number. Do you have any dependents? No. Continue. Like I said, just choose whichever applies to you. So SIN number, it's gonna ask for your SIN number, so you have to provide that. Okay, and then now you can see an overview of the information that you've entered. It's just showing like COVID-19 tax information and some tax law changes. Now let's build your tax profile. So now it's asking about our tax information. So did you work? Yes. T4? Yes. You just check the boxes that applies to you here. We're just doing basics, so no. 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 So RRSP. If you have RRSP and you've contributed for that year, we can put, obviously you can choose yes here. Later on I will show you about the RRSP contribution and how much it's gonna deduct if you are owing tax. So just go through all these questions and choose whatever applies to you. Do you have any of the following accounts? TFSA, RRSP. So like I said, you just choose whichever applied to you. I just check on TFSA as an example. Or a student? No. I'm just showing you here. If you click yes, then it's gonna show you, like it's gonna expand and show you those boxes, and just click whichever applies to you. No. So this one's just asking for like if you own any properties, and if you if you bought a house or a condo this year. So okay, so medical expenses. So this website like is very easy to follow. It's pretty straightforward. Like there's this guide me information, you can just read it as well. But it's just showing you if you have any expenses that occurred after January 1st. So this is for the 2023 tax. 2023 tax. So as it says there, medical expenses must fall between the 12-month period. So it should be like, for example, January 1st, 2023 up to December 31st, 2023. Those are what you can file. You can also enter unclaimed medical expenses that occurred before 2023. But it has to be like within a 12-month period, if that makes sense. So you can see on this left side here, like the categories that you have to go through. So right now we're at the autofill my return part, the income part. So it says showing here, you can just sign into CRA if you have an account there. I mean, you should have an account there, and it will just automatically upload it from there. So you don't have to fill in the tax information. But since this is just like an example for Nadine, I'm just gonna enter like some random numbers here. I'll just say employer's name, YouTube, province, Alberta, and my income. I'm just gonna fill this out. I'm just gonna put in like random numbers. Yeah, I just entered like 50,000 for the income. As an example. And then if you have more T4, then just say add T4. But since we only work for YouTube, one company, as an example, then I just continue and press done, and then now it shows you again like the amount you're gonna pay. So there's this RRSP calculator, which if you have RRSP, it's gonna show you how much will get deducted from your balance owing. So the RRSP calculator is just an example showing us that if we contribute to the RRSP, you're gonna get some deductions. So we're on that category now. We're on the deductions. So now I'm gonna go ahead, continue, and it's at the medical expenses category, and it's showing that in order to claim a tax benefit, my eligible medical expenses should be 3% of my income, which is 1,479. So just add medical receipt. So for medical receipt, make sure you keep your receipt. But if your medical expenses are less than the 1,479, then there's no point. Like, just don't use it and just keep it because maybe you can use it for next year's income tax. Because even if you enter it here, it will not deduct anything from your balance owing because it's less than the 1,479. So I'm just entering like some of the prescriptions and stuff. So this will be like you can claim the medical expenses in like 12-month periods from January 2023 to December 31st, 2023. Let's say we're entering new medical expenses just to show you. Just putting family dental as an example. Just put $3,000. Done. So you can see on the left side, my balance owing has been reduced to 1,600 from 2,100. So now we're done with the deductions portion. So now we're at the province. Just continue. Press continue. Canada carbon rebate. Just press yes, whichever. Or no, if you didn't. We're almost done. So we're just gonna review all the information that we've entered. And it's asking, it's those promotion again. If you want to expert to review it, you're gonna pay $70. We're just doing this just to show you, so no, we just press no thanks. And it's also gonna show some warnings. You can review these and then you're done. So with these, of course, I can't show you anymore because this is only a sample. The next steps would be asking you to pay.